Hi, today I'm reviewing the Illiyoon Ceramide Ato Lotion. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobiusbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, so I reviewed their gel moisturizer version of this, and I thought this one's getting very close to empty, so I should review it before I fully empty it and don't have any product to dispense, so... Okay, so they say it contains ceramide skin complex, a type of ceramide capsule, exclusively developed by the Amore Pacific Corporation, which successfully delivers active ingredients that helps your skin absorb them. It is so hydrating and soothing that it calms your sensitive skin. Fast absorbing, non-sticky texture. And I agree, this one's a nice multi-purpose product. So, okay, my first criteria is packaging, and I like the pump bottle. It just makes it so easy. If you're in a rush, it's just so easy to use. That's all. And it looks nice on your bathroom. Although mine's got a little dust on it, so... Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, this does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no noticeable scent. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use. So I find I like using this everywhere. It's great to apply on your body after taking a shower. I've used it on my face and neck. It absorbs really quickly. It sets to a non-sticky finish. So yeah, and I also use it on my hands. Yeah, I use it everywhere, basically. My neck, it's one of the few things I can use on my neck, which is really dry and sensitive. Well, I've been really successful lately at finding products that work. So maybe my neck is just being better, or I'm just trying better products. I'm not sure which one it is, but there we go. So there we go. So no issues. Use it everywhere. Really nice. I also like to layer it sometimes in the winter. This one isn't quite thick enough, so I'll apply this, and then I'll just apply a thicker moisturizer over it. So yeah, so very easy to use. Okay, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got shea butter, which is an antioxidant emollient. Ginseng root water, which is skin conditioning, also has brightening properties. So very good. Licorice root extract, another good skin brightening. Also has anti-inflammatory properties and also soothing properties. It's also licorice root has been used a lot with dermatitis, rosacea, and eczema. So if you have any issues like that, it's a great ingredient to have. We've got beetroot extract, which is an antioxidant and moisturizer that increases the natural moisturizing factors in the upper layer of your skin. Then we've got Hydroxypropyl Bispalmitamide, MEA, which I probably mispronounced like usual. I'll have to mispronounce one thing in one video each time, or else it just wouldn't be me. Okay. Which is a lab-created molecule created that mimics the properties of natural skin barrier building ceramides, which is probably that proprietary part of that complex that Amore Pacific was discussing. We've got mannitol, which is a sugar-derived humectant. We've got Perilla oxymoids leaf, which is a antioxidant, but it's a potential antioxidant because, in my opinion, more research really needs to be done to see if it's true. People think it's a good ingredient, but we don't really know that much. We've got cholesterol, skin-identical ingredient along with ceramides that make up the outer layer of our skin. It says around 1/4 of the skin cell building blocks is made out of cholesterol. It's very interesting. And then vitamin E, antioxidant, and hydrating ingredients. So a nice list of beneficial, good ingredients in there, which make it nice for... Typically, you know what? When something says body or face, I only use it on my body. But this is one exception. That doesn't happen very often, but there's a few things where it does say body or face, and I actually will use it on my face. But generally, if it's good enough for my body, I don't consider it good enough for my face. I don't know why. Okay, in terms of cruelty-free status... They're not cruelty-free. They are owned by Amore Pacific, which owns a lot of other brands which are not cruelty-free. So, although a few of the smaller brands under Amore Pacific technically are cruelty, like IOP apparently is technically cruelty-free, even though they're owned by Amore Pacific. So, someday I'm going to be happy to see all these bunnies and animals that are tested on come back and give revenge. You know, it'll be nice to see. That's all I'm saying. Because revenge is best served on a cold plate. Okay. Performance. In terms of performance, does a nice job hydrating skin, works nicely on the body and face, calms skin a bit, but It's not quite as calming as they make it sound, but it is slightly calming. But it does contain a lot of acne-genic ingredients. So perhaps if you have very acne-prone skin, you might not want to use it on your face. So we've got dimethicone, stearic acid, glyceryl stearate, palmitic acid, butylene glycol, polysorbate 60, mystric acid, lauric acid, and vitamin E. So 9 total acne-genic ingredients. So if you have very acne-prone skin or even slightly acne-prone skin, probably wouldn't use it on your face. But maybe your body's a different story. Price, so it's the full size, which is 450 milliliters. 350 milliliters, sorry. And it retails for $26, and I didn't do the conversion of ounces. The numbers got a little too high for me. So 30 milliliters is 1 ounce, so 350 milliliters would be like 10 ounces, maybe?
I'll put it on the screen.
Okay. It's a lot. It's affordable. Okay, then in terms of the it factor, it's got a lot going for it. It works well for the body. Although if you have acne-prone skin, you probably don't want to use it on your face, but it's a really nice product overall. It's got a lot of good going for it. I really would have loved if it was cruelty-free, but there we go. So overall, I really like it. With a 10 being a perfect score, I give this one an 8. I'll finish this, and if I didn't have any other body lotion products to use, I would repurchase it, probably. Well, I like it. I just don't like the fact that it's not cruelty-free. The older I get, the more annoyed I am by brands that aren't cruelty-free. By the year of 2021, it's ridiculous. So, anyway. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. Anyway, if you've had a chance to try this one out, leave a comment. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.